Yabere kubasaguma nitwe tshikuniire cheke chindi cha muheru eta program iteji ensinganto kandi nyenda kugambira ngo ubuzimazima abantu ba Ruti Progressive School bakwatanise na Mbara Kids Planet batebekanise zizo barunji ko kuwasibanoreba program akire kari nkafunda nkanto nda tukuretere cheke chasigara yechi muchonka erekunda garishe nkusiburi utakarga TV West. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Mbakwetoha.
My name is Akampura Jude.
How old are you, Jude?
I am 9 years old.
Which class are you in?
I am in P4 class.
Jude, ngambire choro kumanya child abuse.
For me, I think that child abuse is the violation of children's rights.
Abana mbawasa kujehara bata.
By avoiding walking at night. To avoid drunkards.
Webere Jude.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, how are you?
Fine.
Mbakwetoha.
My name is Rehema Gonzaga.
Gonzaga, oine miaka ingahe?
9 years old.
Where do you come from?
I come from Ruti.
Ngambira mama wawe mwenye.
My mother is Asime Moniva.
Kan daddy.
My father is Muchibi Alex.
Daddy nakora chi?
He's the chairman of Chikona Market.
Kan mam nakora chi?
Any work can remain at home cooking for us.
Aha, no shumicha kanga ishigonza.
I'm in P4 class.
Aha, iwe tugambire niwecho kuteka child abuse.
To me, I think child abuse is the way of denying children's rights.
Icho nchiba hochita.
By not respecting parents. Yes.
Ati ngambira abana bakajehara bata.
By hearing to the parents what they have told you.
Webari.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, how are you?
I am fine.
Mbakweto.
Barje Mark.
Mako ine miaka ingahe?
80 years.
No shumicha kanga?
P3.
Iwo wanyu ninkahe?
Ngara.
Ngara. Aha, maka ngambira child abuse no jetejereza?
Yes.
Nemanyisa.
Child abuse is the denying of children's rights.
Nchimanyisa ngu nhaba hochi.
No, but you must avoid bad groups.
Bad groups. Why must you avoid bad groups?
Because they can steal you. Yeah.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Okay. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
I'm Pirona.
Wanji?
I'm Pirona.
Rona. How old are you, Rona?
I am 8 years old.
Urireji?
Yes.
Wanyu ninkahe?
Ruti.
Wanji?
Ruti.
Oine bradi? Oine dadu wawe?
Yes.
Na mami?
Yes.
Babeta bahi?
Asima Godfrey and Lilian Babirye.
Mbakora chi?
They are nurse and doctor.
Hata ngambira. Iwe child abuse no jimani?
Yes.
No jimani ota?
Child abuse is the denying of children's rights.
Umwana nabasa kujehara?
By hearing what the parents are telling them.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
High five. High five, Rona. Wow. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Mbakwetoha.
Mpumwire Diane.
Nakushemerwa Diane.
Ninyo wachiri.
Owanyu ninkahe Diane?
Ruti.
Diana so ine mami. Kandi dado mwine Diana. Mbabeta bahi Diana.
My mother is called Queen Janet and my father is called Quize.
Urumva? Cyane cyane. Aha, mfite ikibazo. I want to ask you, child abuse nchimanyisa chi?
Child abuse is the denying of children's rights.
How does it happen?
By not respecting your parents.
How can children avoid it?
By respecting their parents.
Yebare Diana.
No, not you.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Awasa Isabel.
How are you, Isabel? You're very fine.
Yes.
Owanyu ninkahe? Dada riyo?
Yes.
Na mami?
Yes.
Bagambachi?
Baja.
No shumicha kanga?
P4 class.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
Tugambire kare niwe byo kwenda tugambira. Child abuse.
Child abuse is the mistreatment of children.
The mistreatment of children.
Yes.
Mbachikora batashetu.
When the parents mistreat their children.
How can children avoid child abuse?
By having good behavior.
Webari?
Thank
You're welcome. Hello, can I talk to you? How are you?
you. Fine.
Look at the camera there. Mbakwetoa.
My name is Aibasuke Esther.
Esther nakushemeru.
Nakuta.
Noshumcha kangaishi mama.
Shemechi kabiri.
Hat Esther mama yari na daddy. Bagamba ki?
Bari.
Ngambere cyo kumanya aha child abuse.
Child abuse is the denying of people,
children. Hati abana bakabyihara batebyo.
Bye. Babasha kubihera kurga umukurikiza abazire babo.
Umukurikiza abazire babo. Nakunda ayibazibwe. You say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello? Can I shake your hand? How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Ashanti Nakagurire.
Ashanti. Nakushemerwa Ashanti.
Welcome.
Mama yari nagamba ki?
Fine.
Noshumcha kangayi.
Before.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
When is your birthday?
November 28th.
Are you going to invite me?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to wait. Now Ashanti, tell us. Child abuse niche.
Child abuse is the mistreating of children
How does it happen?
by walking at night,
Walking at night. So what can children do?
by listening to their parents.
Where were they, Ashanti?
Welcome.
Okay, dear. Hello, boss. How are you?
Thanks.
Good to see you.
It is nice.
Okay, be very loud and look to the camera. Mbakweto.
Bilal.
Wanji.
Bilal Ibrahim.
Bilal, salamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Mama Rio.
Yes.
Nararat.
J.
Kan daddy. Mamwetoha.
Abbas Bilal.
Kan mami.
Asina Juk.
Hata ngambera Bilal. Iwe child abuse no jetejerezota.
Child abuse is the violation of children's rights
How are they violated?
by not giving them enough food.
So what do you think should be done to avoid it?
Should hear what the parent talks. Yes.
And then what else?
And that's what the parent is telling him or her.
Thank you, Bilal.
You are welcome.
Barakallahu fikum.
Fikum barakal.
Bye-bye. How are you, my rich woman? How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Amtire Martha.
Martha Timsem Kama. Amina. No shoma chachi?
Yes.
No shomera chachi?
St. Jude.
St. Jude. Hat Martha, you mami ari? Ikigambo cha child abuse no chetejereza? Chimanyisa ngwenje.
Child abuse is the way of denying children's rights
How does it happen?
by avoiding walking at night.
There you're stopping it.
Yes.
Kari, yebare Martha.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Please come closer. What is your name?
My name is Alinda Rich,
Rachel, how old are you?
9 years old.
Which class are you in?
P3 class.
P3.
Yes.
Yes, Rachel. Hatungambira child abuse niche.
Child abuse is the mistreatment of children's rights
Hey, hata echo tukachiyaho tuta.
by fearing words that parents has tell you.
The parents have told us.
Yes.
Okay. Webare Rachel.
Thank you.
Wabano tureba aha program iteji. Wabano tureba program itu echeka chetu cha weekly topic nuko twachendera tuti twaganira aha child abuse okunyangarazibwa kw'abana ninga shokushanga ng'umwana atari kutunga bugabebwe bakushoborera ntekateka yabo no kutubasa kujehara abo kube mwe tubasa kubikora tuvyekorere bituretera kabi kandi tikwe na ngarice ninga shimbi gambo kinji bitunchiriza twumreho tugarisha
With a new song. Yes,
Yabere kubasa kugumanitwe no kutereza kirekawe a program yawe Nyamurungi eyensinga nto chikunire byinji. If it is a fun play ningashi izobari yo kuzana kids day out ninga fun play day ni nebintu nyamuje tukubana tukutebekanisiza na mnonga wano reba nk'abana baruti progressive okubabasa kutegura je bintu yabo na administration yabo bakatereza umwanya murunji aha Mbara Kids Planet. Nyenda kuretere cheka chiti cha meru cha program eji utakarga.